same rule applies to my speech as well. If I go wrong, please shout. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I believe in me. Do you believe in me?
Yes.
Do you believe that I can lead this club to greater heights?
Yes.
Division Governor, Area Governor, distinguished guests, fellow Toastmasters. It is indeed an honor to be delivering my inaugural speech on this auspicious occasion. We are 10 years old this year, and the journey wasn't easy. And I take this opportunity to thank all the past presidents. Can all the past presidents, can you all stand up, please? Thank you. Without your commitment and dedication, we wouldn't be what we are today. So I salute all the past presidents for bringing this club and making our club presidents distinguished club. I'm standing here with the mixed feelings today. On one hand, I had to put on hold some of my personal goals in order to take over this role. On the other hand, I'm very excited because tonight I can move to Istana. That's what you told me. I'm also excited to deliver 20 over opening and closing speeches. And it is indeed an honor to lead this vibrant club and a committed, dedicated executive committee who are ready to move mountains if there is a need. I have so much of faith in them, and I'm sure we will achieve the goals I've set for the club. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to share with you the goals, 10 goals I've set for this club for this year. Number 1, achieve President Distinguished Club. We usually achieve in 6 months, and hopefully we can achieve it in 6 to 7 months' time this year also. We will promote leadership roles in the club. We will create leaders, and we will empower our club with more leaders, and they will take up leadership roles. Number 3, we will build a pool of language and project evaluators so that we become self-sufficient and self-reliant. We will conduct speech crafts in order to develop our people in the club. And we will make polo t-shirt for everybody who is sponsored by club this year. And we will introduce 10-cent fine for R counter, R and and all post fillers. This is to develop speaking skills without relying on post fillers in our club. So treasurer will make some money also. A standing ovation shall be given to all those who bring glory to the club by achieving a competent communicator, competent leader, whatever educational or other leadership roles they play, they bring glory to the club, they will be recognized by a standing ovation. A mentor shall be assigned to all those new members. Now, I know that 3 members are brand new. Can the new members stand up, please? I have a question for you. Do you have a mentor? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Please be seated. This is to prove Then organize coffee shop talks. After the meeting, the chapter meeting will not end here. Those who want to stay back and talk further, we will do it in the nearest coffee shop. So this is to build cohesion and bonding for the club members. So I believe I've touched on all the 10 goals for potential for the club. And I take this opportunity to thank a few people without whose persuasion I wouldn't be standing here. I didn't see John here. Distinguished Toastmaster John has invited me for a lunch, and that lunch made me think, and that is one of the reasons I'm standing here as president. And thank you, Vyong, for your mentorship and advice all the way. You are a role model to me, and I learned a lot from you. Thank you for that. Thank you, Biman, for handing over Healthy Club.
And Istana hai.
And you told me that you moved to Istana. And the Expo. Thank you so much for your faith in me. I'm sure we will try this club to be the highest. And thank you all the past presidents for your presence here and gracing this event of our 10th anniversary. Thank you, division and area governors, for your presence and installing the new Expo. And thank you all the distinguished guests for being here, enjoy the food, enjoy the fun here. Thank you, have a nice day, happy anniversary.